Back in 2011, a heavy equipment operator in Alberta, Canada, was working at an oil sand mine when he unearthed something unexpected. A strange-looking fossil embedded in the rock. It didn't take long for paleontologists to realize this wasn't just any fossil. Over the next 6 years, paleontologists carefully chiseled it free, revealing one of the most incredible dinosaur finds ever recorded. What they had was a nodosaur, a heavily armored dinosaur related to Ankylosaurus that roamed Earth 110 million years ago. The fossil was so well preserved that it's essentially a dinosaur mummy. Scientists believe the nodosaur's body sank into mud on the seafloor after its death, where it was quickly buried. That environment protected its armor and scales as minerals gradually replaced the organic material, keeping it remarkably intact. This nodosaur, named Borealopelta, which means Shield of the North, was an impressive 18 feet long and weighed about 3,000 pounds. And it wasn't just the armor that survived. Paleontologists even detected chemical traces of pigment that suggested Borealopelta had a reddish-brown back, likely for camouflage. And here's a fun detail: fossilized stomach contents revealed Borealopelta's diet. It turns out this ancient herbivore was pretty picky with its plant menu. The discovery of Borealopelta gives us an incredible window into the past, showing us not just what these dinosaurs looked like, but how they lived. It's a true gem of paleontology, and a reminder of the amazing stories still buried beneath our feet. Thank you for watching. Happy fossil hunting.